Well, hey guys, it's Northern Wanderer from the Wolf's Den, and what we are doing is we are building a solar oven. And what I've done is I've taken it's all recycled material. None of this stuff is purchased or anything like that. The inside's painted all black. It's all trimmed out, and we've got a window here that we will hinge. We're not finished yet. We got to do some more rubber trim around here that will seal it. We got to put a mirror up here that's going to reflect down in. It's all painted black inside. These boards are just recycled boards that we found. I ran them through my planer, which is over here, and did everything on the chop saw. Cut everything down. Took the table saw that's here, ripped everything and stuff to trim everything out on the inside. It is basically there's basically a box all the way around, and then another box inside with about 2 inches of insulation. And it's hard, I know it's kind of hard to see, but the inside is just all same thing. It's planed boards, but they've everything's been painted black, and we'll hinge this so it can come up and down. And tomorrow we're probably going to put it in the sun, put a temperature gauge in there, put the mirror up here and everything to direct the sun down in there, and see what kind of temperatures we can get it to. But I've got a little more work to do. I'll show you. I insulated everything inside with this stuff, which was all found in a dumpster. I doubled it up so it's about 2 inches of insulation inside of everything, so it's well insulated. And we'll probably put it on something that we can hinge it so it'll come up this way and that way, so we can hinge it up so it kind of faces up into the sun like this, and then the mirror up here to reflect down in. So anyway, we've got the we hinged the top. We've got the mirror and everything. We've got it in the sun. You can see the box. It's basically 16 by 16 by 16 by 16, and the sun's kind of shooting right over from this direction down in here. You can see it starting to kind of steam up here already. We've only been in the sun for about 15 minutes, and we're going to see just what kind of temperature we can get in here today. And then tomorrow I'm going to actually try and cook in this and see if I can cook a pot roast in here with carrots and potatoes and all that type of stuff. I'll probably take the outside and stain it all the way around. As I said, we just took old boards and planed them and made it all the way around, put 2 inches of insulation in there. And I don't know, depending on what kind of heat I can get, maybe that's one mirror, and I may end up putting another one there and another one there. So I've got 3 of them all, banging heat down in there. I will take and put some rubber seal all the way around this and underneath here, and that will seal it up so it could actually be used in more colder weather and not lose any heat. And what you could also do is, if you wanted, you could actually wrap some more insulation around here, maybe, or straw or something, if you're going to use it in the winter months. It's my understanding it works in the winter months. Like I said, it's been 10 or 15 minutes, and I can start to feel, some of the heat. I don't know what I can get the temperature up in there. I'm hoping at least 250, but everything's all recycled. The mirror was a couple bucks out of a recycle store. The windows were just junk being thrown away. Scrap wood. I planed most of the stuff all down. And it's only 11 o'clock, so we're going to track it probably about 2 o'clock. It'll be right at its highest point, pounding in here. I'll take the temperature and see what kind of temp I get out of it, and then tomorrow I'll actually put it to use and put the cooking stuff in there. I picked up a piece of marble here, which I'll use to set the pot on. Is this piece of marble or granite? I got that for like 50 cents. So anyway, and as you can see the little bit of the reflection there from me. And I don't know, I'll have to play with this until I can figure out exactly what's what. But we're going to give it a try and see what we can do. So that's the solar oven. We'll give it a while and a couple hours and see what kind of temperature we get to. changed the cooker a little bit, the solar oven. I went and got some mirrors, which were like $1 a piece, and I put 3 of them around there, and I changed the glass. I've got, this is kind of a slider now, and we actually got a pot roast going in there right now. It's not really that warm in there because, as you can see, it's kind of a little bit of a cloudy day, but I've been able to get it to about 250 degrees yesterday, which was really nice weather. But right now it is not that good, so we're gonna leave it in there most of today, and then we'll put it in there again tomorrow for a few hours. It's supposed to be completely blue skies tomorrow. Today's just not gonna work out very well. But anyway, the cooker is a lot better this way. You can just take the glass, slide it out, slide it in, and I've got the mirrors and stuff. So they'll go up, and you can position them any way you want them with these sticks, which I'm going to actually run some little units right here so they'll go up and down. So anyway, that's it for that.